Hey guys, it's Athar from Gossipfunda, and in this video we are going to fix the can't open file issue in your phone. So let's get started. So when you try to open a file which is downloaded online or any file in your phone and it shows can't open file prompt on the bottom of your screen, so I'm going to show you how to fix it. This problem happens because you might not have the proper software or the drivers installed to open the file. So I'll show you how to fix it. First of all, go to Play Store. Now on Play Store, search for Z Archive app. This one, the Z Archiver 1 app. It's only 4.1 MB. So install this app. Okay, so the installation is complete. Now open it. Give all the permissions it is requiring. Okay, now find wherever your file is located in the file manager and open it. Like I'll go to download and here you can see. So now here so many options will come and you can view, open it, test it, you can do anything. So by using this app you can open files which your phone is not able to open normally. I hope this information was helpful and solved your issue. Don't forget to check out our blog for latest technology update. Link will be in the description box below. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel and share the video if this was helpful.